Hello everyone, this is Davian at A&D Homestead, and today I'm going to tell you how we go about breeding our rabbits. So as you can see here, this is our most recent litter. They were born about a month ago, and it is time for the mother, this doe, her name is Maple, to get rebred. The buck that will be servicing her is right here. This is Brownie. He's a mini lop. Maple is 2, and I will show you how to breed them in just a sec. Will mount her, and what you want to happen is something called a fall off. So every time they have an intercourse, the buck will fall off of the doe, make a little squeaky noise, and you know she's knocked up. So as you can see, the doe is mounting the buck. This is not unusual. If the doe is getting into it, she will do that. It's also not unusual for them to mount on the wrong end, like so. You want to supervise these guys at all times, and you're just going to let them go for like 5 to 10 minutes. After they're done, you're going to take them out, and you are going to want to repeat this another time, either 8 hours later or the next day. A buck can only service one doe per 8 hours. And it's done. It's as easy as that. For more information on what to do when your doe is pregnant and expecting for caring for new litter, you can watch our video on that. I will put the link up in the corner. You can just click on that and it will show you there. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe to our channel. We also post multiple times a week on Pinterest, and we post on our blog. All links will be given in the description. If you are interested in receiving our weekly newsletter, you can sign up for that. I will post the link in the description below. Thanks again, and goodbye.